water going over that, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's got a lot of water.
What?
That's 7, isn't it?
I think so.
Yeah, that's 7 now.
If that wall wasn't there, it'd be easing up.
We've got to take the breeze block out of the...
Yeah.
That breeze block is most probably would have delayed it, or eventually I think. Well, surely this wall must have been a lot higher going over there, because why build it over there if you're going to stay that height? So this has been taken down.
Got locks and things, yeah. For the boardwalk.
Yeah, so they've lowered the wall from the original.
How's the waters? How's the water?
I don't think it's going to go over as much as yesterday. I think it's not raining much, is it?
Do you think? It's really coming down on the waterfall. It's really come down the fall.
Imagine it's still probably the next hour. It doesn't rain anymore. It'll be the next one. Usually it's a good hour or so afterwards that the water comes.